We are going to make the bricks collide with the ball, or the ball collide with the bricks in this video. And it's not actually as hard as it might seem, because we already have, so let's open up the ball class. We already have a method that is functional. We know it's functional because it works with a paddle to check for collisions. We have, we can calculate the corners, and this method takes a rectangle, and we can check the collisions. We send the paddle's rectangle over, and these methods in combination, in concert, work together to check the collisions, and they do it accurately. So we're pretty much set up. We just have to cycle through the list of bricks, because if you remember, brick objects, the way we design the class, have a getRect method that will send back a rectangle. So we have to ask the game panel to cycle over the list of bricks and to check the collisions with the ball. So let's just create a method to do that called check collisions. So let's put it down. Doesn't really matter where these methods are, you can tell probably already. So we'll put it down here, public void check collisions. And we'll actually check the paddle collisions in here. So the ball.check collisions, the paddle.getRect. So instead of doing that in update, I think that's where we were doing the paddle. Yeah, let's just do, we'll take this out and put in check collisions here. And we'll go down and finish up that method now. So check collisions. Now we need to use nested loops to cycle over the objects. And let's see, do we actually have to use nested loops? Yes, we have to use nested loops, but we can use enhanced for loops. So for a row of bricks, for each row of bricks, we want to look at each brick, B, in the row, and at each brick, if B.get is active, then we want to check the collisions. If the ball.check collisions B.getR rectangle, if this is true that the ball has collided with the rectangle, so remember this method does two things. It looks a little weird at first, but this method can tell us, it answers in a Boolean if the method hits something. Remember here we set up this Boolean collision detected equals false. So check collisions handles what to do with the balls dx and dy, and it also tells us if the ball has collided with the rectangle that we sent over. So this is why we have it telling us if there was a collision. So if the ball hits this rectangle, change the ball's position, but also we want to know that we have to say B.got hit to reduce the strength of the brick that got hit. And I believe that this is actually everything. So we should go ahead and try and run the program now and see if in fact the ball is colliding with the rectangles or with the brick objects. So let's see if it, yep, looks good. Ding, 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 ding. It's like a little pinball thing. If we can get it stuck up in there. Ooh, it missed a couple collisions. All right. So part of our, okay. Something is wrong with our collision method. Or is it just seeing that those things are inactive? What's going on? Or it's not, it's like, oh, it's drawing inactive bricks. Okay, the collision method is right. All right. So it's not, it's drawing all the bricks rather than, okay, so, oh yeah, so in draw bricks, we have to go if B.get is active, then and only then do we want to draw the bricks. So because it was just drawing a bunch of inactive bricks. So here we go. Let's run it again, and it should look okay. Let's see. Yes, it removes the bricks, and then it doesn't check the collisions, I believe, with those removed bricks. Yeah, it looks good at this point. Alright, so that's how to make the ball actually collide with the bricks. Yeah, it looks awesome. Alright.